Okay, you see here I have created a website for you. This is just a product page. Okay, so if I show you here, we'll have all of our product photos, and here we'll have our product title and price, and then also you see here we'll keep the bundle, buy one get one free, or buy one and buy two get 50% off, buy three get 20% off, something like that, to encourage people to buy our product. Okay, and you see add to cart, and then in the other under the add to cart, what payment method we actually offering, so all the details here. You see here all of the FAQ, I mean about our product promotion, we will keep everything here. We'll give some of the product benefit or product offer something here, and then we'll explain our product benefit here by keeping here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is just a basic layout, so whenever we study and work with you, we will do it the exact same product page for all of the product. Okay, so this is all about our product page. Okay, so you will create a home page. This is just a demo, so if you like this kind of stuff what I can create for you, then we'll moving forward. Okay, so let me know you like this website. So you see this is just a very good website, so once you keep doing everything with your all of the product, our website looks will be more professional. Okay, so let me know did you like it or not. Okay.